What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, is the field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and language translation. AI technology is designed to enable machines to learn from data and experience and to perform tasks without explicit programming. There are two main types of AI. Narrow AI. This type of AI is designed to perform a specific task, such as image recognition or language translation. Narrow AI is limited to the specific task it was trained to perform and cannot perform other intellectual tasks. General AI. This type of AI has the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human can, such as problem solving and decision making. General AI does not yet exist, but it is the ultimate goal of the field of AI research.